Alright fans, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It all depends on where you are watching this video. I want to quickly show you how to disassemble Samsung A50. This is Samsung A50. Samsung A50. It is simple. Let's go. To disassemble Samsung A50, we'll start from the back, as in case you want to change the screen from the back. Look for something flat as usual. This is a blade with me, but please use a blunt blade so you don't injure yourself. Now from the edge, okay, from the edge. Okay, so try to remove this back. Please always be careful when you are dealing with mobile phone. Otherwise, you might damage some things. You must be very, very careful and patient. Okay? Alright. This is it. So, you unscrew all the screw. Take off all the screw. Alright, once you are done removing all the screw, the next option is to take off the casing from the edge. Okay, I don't use my nails most times. That is why, as a mobile phone technician, you should have a long nail a bit. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Please always remember to take off the SIM tray. The SIM tray. To do that, you can use a needle or the pin that really came with it. Okay. Continue. See? Now this is the flex for the screen. This particular one. And this one is for charging. This is screen flex. Let's say remove the screen. If you have a heater, which I will do, you heat the screen. Please, if the screen is good, do not heat, except the screen is bad. Alright, if the screen is bad, you can heat on it, but if it's good, please use the machine to do that.